Hi, I'm Amanda from the Carnegie Science Center, and I'd like to welcome you to our Something to Watch series. I'm here at the Carnegie Science Center in our Works Theater, but don't worry, I'm practicing social distancing. I'm actually alone in this space, but I am excited to teach you a little bit about bubbles. How many of you out there like to play with bubbles? Well, these bubbles are a little bit different. These bubbles are filled with fog. Now, to get my fog inside of the bubble, I have to use a pretty special ingredient called dry ice. Let me show you. This is dry ice. It is solid carbon dioxide gas. It's really cold. That's why I'm wearing my safety equipment, because it is negative 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty cold. So I'm wearing goggles and gloves to be safe. Now, dry ice is pretty easy to come by. Sometimes your grown-ups may find it in their grocery store in certain states, or in packages of meat or ice cream that get delivered to the house. Always want to make sure that, because it's so cold, it's something that you at home don't want to play with. But here at the Science Center, we know all about it. What's really cool about our dry ice is that it does something called sublimate. Can you all say that with me? Sublimate. That just means it goes from a solid straight to a gas. Not all things do that. Our ice that we use at home for our drinks that we make from water goes from a solid to a liquid to a gas. Now, I could stand here for days and you will never be able to see this as a puddle. Now, when I add it into my water, it starts to turn into a gas really quickly and creates all of these carbon dioxide bubbles. And I'm able to use my special bubble maker to fill our bubbles with fog. I have a bubble solution that's only 3 ingredients: water, dish soap, and glycerin. Now, the glycerin helps to make our bubbles strong. So if you want bubbles that keep their shape, adding some glycerin or some corn syrup will help to make a bubble strong. Now, you can see as I fill up my bubble, they're able to hold that gas. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you learned a lot about boo bubbles and our dry ice. And for more things to watch, to read, and to do, go to www.carnegiesciencecenter.org. Have a great day. See ya.